Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a card share video. I have a new stamp and die set that I want to share with you today and the card that I made with that set. But I also used some other supplies. So let's look, see what I used. So first off is this honeybee funfetti gem stickers. I use the white ones here. Super cute, and I love how small they are. And then I also used these florals from Little Birdie Naturals, and really pretty. I like these quite a bit. I have these for a while too. And then also from Spellbinders, I used this fluted classic circle die set. So this one's kind of interesting. It has 9 dies, so it has a really tiny thin die that you have to use with the design ones, or that won't cut out. It'll just imprint. So you have to use the little skinny ones to make it a frame, when you want to cut the whole thing out. And now for the new stamp and die set that I used. It's from Spellbinders, and it's the Hello. And it's a little Hello Sentiments. That's what it's called. And it comes with a sentiment section, or a stamp that has 9 sentiments on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm sorry, 7. I don't know where I got 9 from. 7. And then it has a die that cuts them all out at the same time. So how easy is that? You stamp it once, die cut it, and you have 9 designs. And then the Hello has a background, a detailed, and a shadow. So this is by Lisa Horton, and I really love this a lot. So let's see what the card looks like. So this is my favorite shape card. It's the 5.5 by 5.5, which I cannot find any more of the pre-made cards and envelopes. So if you know of some out there, let me know. But here's the card. It's super cute. It's going to be a little difficult to mail because this flower is pretty chunky. So it may be one that I just deliver. So it hand delivers. So this says, I wanted to say hello. And so here's this little super simple frame. And then I layered it on some cardstock from Joanne, the Basil cardstock. Really simple card. A little chunky, but I think it's worth it, the extra postage, if I have to mail it. But I really like this a lot. Let me know what you think about this new Hello die set and stamp set from Spellbinders. Well, it was nice talking with you guys, and I guess I'll talk with you next time. Bye.